Awalo del misteryoso.
First word, tagad. In English, wait. Use it in a sentence. Magtagad kita sa ila. In English, let's wait for them.
Second word, gutos.
What's gutos?
In English, walk.
Use it in a sentence.
Maggutos na kita kay duhod ka sa kilada ka kilometro. In English, let's just take a walk since it's only a few kilometers away.
Third word, perbaran. In English, try. Use it in a sentence. Perbaran ko pag-ayo ang imong bisikleta. In English, I will try to repair your bicycle.
Fourth word, kuyamoy. In English, finger. Use it in a sentence. Nasa yo'y samad imo kuyamoy. In English, why do you have a cut in your finger?
Fifth word, maamog-amog. In English, warm. Use it in a sentence. Lami mainom ng maamog-amog na tubig pag ilantad. In English, it's better to drink warm water if you have a flu.